हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जे एजुकेशन। आज के इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं अनदर वन बीबीए स्पेशलाइजेशन एंड दैट इज स्कोप ऑफ डूइंग बीबीए इन लॉजिस्टिक्स एंड सप्लाई चेन मैनेजमेंट। See, I have already uploaded videos regarding so many BBA specializations such as scope of doing BBA in finance, HR, marketing, international business, information technology, event management, BBA in accounting, BBA in banking and insurance, and so many. So if you missed up with that videos, then please click on the link which is mentioned in my description, or else you can also click on this I button. Alright, so now let's begin with today's video, and that is what is BBA in Logistic and Supply Chain Management all about. Basically, BBA in Logistics and Supply Chain Management is a 3 years undergraduate course including 6 semesters. Alright. See, ये जो particular word है logistic, उसका मतलब क्या होता है? Logistic involves all the commercial activities which is related to transporting goods to the customers. Alright, and ये जो logistic management है that involves all the managerial activity which is related to transporting goods and services from suppliers to the customer. से स्कूल टाइम पे आप सब लोग ने सीखा होगा कि कोई भी प्रोडक्ट हो वो सबसे पहले मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी में मैन्युफैक्चर होती है, उसके बाद इट विल डिलीवर टू द होलसेलर, then retailer, and at the end it will reach to the final customer. So ये जो पूरी cycle है that is known as supply chain management, and logistic and supply chain management is nothing but how to flow this whole cycle efficiently in a well manner. Alright, plus अगर आपने BBA ये particular specialization में किया है then you will allow to do 6-month training and in which you can able to learn regarding different trade concept. Plus student will also learn regarding different type of processes and concept which is related to logistics. Alright, and you will also gain knowledge regarding implementing, controlling and planning the whole cycle of supply chain management which starts from suppliers and end with customers. Alright, so this is all about what is BBA in logistics and supply chain management. अब हम बात करते हैं एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया के बारे में. If you want to get admission in BBA Supply Chain and Logistics, then you should have completed your 12th with minimum 45% marks. Selection criteria is differ from college to college because काफ़ी सारी colleges ऐसी है जो 12th के score according students को admission provide करती है, while some of the colleges are like for that you have to clear entrance exam of that particular college. मैंने ऑलरेडी टॉप बीबीए एंट्रेंस एग्जाम इन इंडिया के बारे में वीडियो है वो अपलोड कर दिया है, लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दी है, सो यू कैन वॉच इट आउट. फीस जो है कॉलेजेस की दैट इज डिफर फ्रॉम 6 lakhs to 10 lakhs क्योंकि कॉलेजेस की जो फीस होती है वो कॉलेज वाइज डिफर करती है. ऑलराइट, एंड यस, टॉप बीबीए कॉलेजेस फॉर डूइंग लॉजिस्टिक एंड सप्लाई चेन मैनेजमेंट उसकी लिस्ट मैंने ऑलरेडी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दी है, सो जस्ट चेक इट आउट. Next is subject. If you have opted this particular specialization, then which type of subjects you will learn? So the list include you will learn supply chain risk management, EXIM trade procedure, international logistics, entrepreneurship development, then theory of constraint, green logistic and supply chain, and inventory management. These are the list of subjects that you will learn under this particular specialization. सो इफ़ यू थिंक कि आप ये सारे सब्जेक्ट्स को पढ़ने में इंटरेस्टेड हो, प्लस इफ़ यू हैव अ लीडरशिप स्किल, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल एंड टीम बिल्डिंग स्किल, then you are perfect for selecting this particular specialization. All right, now at the last let's talk about very most important topic, and that is career opportunities. कि after doing BBA in this particular specialization which type of career opportunities you can able to gain. So what you can done is you can find a job for a logistic companies because इंडिया में बहुत सारे logistic companies अवेलेबल है, सो आप वहाँ जाके जॉब फाइंड कर सकते हो, उसमें आप अपनी जॉब कर सकते हो. स्टार्टिंग स्टेज में अगर आपके पास अच्छा खासा एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है देन यू कैन स्टार्ट विथ बेसिक प्रोफाइल. ऑलराइट, उसको हम बोलते हैं बिगनर लेवल प्रोफाइल, सो दैट यू कैन एबल टू लर्न working environment which is related to logistic, and after a while when you gain experience then you can able to do your work at a higher companies. All right, अब हम बात करते हैं कि अगर आपने जॉब के लिए अप्लाई किया है देन विच टाइप ऑफ जॉब प्रोफाइल यू विल गेन. सो यू कैन बी कस्टमर सर्विस मैनेजर, एनालिस्ट और कंसल्टेंट, व्हीकल फ्लीट मैनेजर, देन इन्वेंटरी कंट्रोल मैनेजर, distribution center officer, purchasing manager, import and export agent, production manager, then a freight coordinator, cargo operations specialist. These are the different job profile that you will gain after completing BBA in logistic and supply chain management. नेक्स्ट इज एम्प्लॉयमेंट एरिया कि आप कॉर्पोरेट में एंटर होना चाहते हो देन विच टाइप ऑफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट एरिया यू कैन एबल टू गेन. So you can apply in shipping companies, you can apply in ports and harbors, then air, rail and road transportation firms, logistic companies, MNCs and business houses, then consultation agencies, import-export firm, etc. These are the different job profiles that you can gain after completing BBA in this particular specialization. And in the starting stage, your salary vary from 1.25 lakh to 6 lakh. That is totally depend on your experience. And after some of the time, when you gain more and more experience, then you will able to reach at 15 lakh per annum for sure if you have opted this particular specialization. Alright. Okay guys, so here I am done with scope of doing BBA in logistic and supply chain management. Still, if you have any query related to any concept or any degree, feel free to ask me in the comment section, or else you can also ask me in my Instagram ID or Facebook page. मैंने already मेरी Instagram ID and Facebook page की जो link है वो description box में डाल दी है. So just follow me so that you can get more and more updates regarding education. In the next video, I'll be come with some another specialization related to BBA. For that, you need to subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon so that you will receive notification related to these videos at first. And yes, one more thing. मैंने already MBA degree के जो different specialization है उसके related भी videos upload कर दिए हैं. So if you missed up with that videos, then you can watch it out by clicking on the link which is mentioned in my description. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Till goodbye. Keep learning, keep educating yourself. Thank you.